Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time joining my channel, my name is Sean Digital. I give people information or I provide information on how to make money online and tools that can help your business to grow online. So sometimes you are looking for a way to self-clicking on your Adsterra direct link. So today's video is actually for that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be making $100 just doing self-clicking on Adsterra. So if you don't know anything about Adsterra before, I guess you need to watch this video because I have done a series of videos on how to sign up on Adsterra, what you need to know about Adsterra, and other methods of making money on Adsterra. But in this one, I'm going to show you self-clicking on Adsterra. So if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, you may want to consider to subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to know about it, and when you know about it, you'll be the first person to make the money. All right guys, so let's dive into the video while I show you how to do self-clicking on Adsterra. So my phone screen is going to appear here right now. So this is my phone screen. What you need to know first is this is Adsterra dashboard, right? This is Adsterra dashboard. If I go this way, you're going to see how much I have on this account. On this account, I have just about $3. I have $3.10 on this account. $3.10. All right. So, and also, if you come to let's come here. If you come to statistics here, all right. So come to statistics right here. I want to show you something. If you click on statistics, you're gonna see the impression I have for today. Just for today, I have just 4 impressions. And so that when I show you the trick, you are going to see that it's actually working, right? So if I zoom out, you can see today's date is 23rd of April, okay, 2023. So if I come here, you see how much I made. The CPM is $51, while my revenue is just 204 cents. All right, just for impression. All right, let's go. So what you need to do right now is to come here and click your direct link. We're going to copy the direct link, right? We're going to click on it and say, oh, this is our direct link. Then you are going to copy your direct link. So for me, I have about 5 direct links. So if you're just knowing about Adsterra, so you just go ahead and create your own direct link. I've done a video on that, so you can just check this video, the video I just mentioned, or go to the description box of this video. You're gonna see the video that I've done on Adsterra before, or I'm gonna drop the playlist of Adsterra so that it's gonna help you to know more about Adsterra. So I'm gonna copy this one right here, this last one. I'm gonna click on the copy button. Then after clicking on the copy button, I will add on to the application that I'm gonna be making use to help me. And don't forget, I just have, let me go back to the statistics. Don't forget, we only have 4 impressions. So by the time I do the self-clicking, the impression will increase so that you will know that this is okay. Let me refresh this page again for you to see. All right, just 4 impressions. That's what we have there. 4 impressions. Okay, 4 impression. Then we have $50 CPM. The revenue is 204, right? So let's go to the application we're going to be making use of right now. In the application, all you just need to do is click on this Chrome browser. Click on the Chrome. When you click on it, then you see another button at the front of it. Just click on that too. Okay, it's gonna pop up the Chrome for you and open Chrome. All right, so let's wait for it. So right now, what you need to do, just put this one that say use without an account. Click on it. So when you click on it, open the place to put in your link and all. So you see, just forget about it. Got it. Here, put the link that you've copied. So I'm gonna paste the link right here. All right. So once I paste the link, and we're going to wait for the magic. Okay, so if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, consider to do so that you always know whenever I drop video like this, and also click on the notification bell. All right, so let's go ahead and okay, I'm still waiting for it. Let me paste it again. All right, so paste. go. Click on go. So let's go. Let's see. So it says join. So make sure you anything that this app the link is asking you to do, you have to do it. All right. So sometimes it's gonna ask you to do a survey. Just make sure you go through the survey. Or sometimes it's gonna ask you to download an app. Make sure you download the app. You may not use the app after the whole thing. You can delete the app. Then sometimes it's gonna ask you to join something. Just do it. So now it's saying I should join. So I'm gonna click on join. Then it's gonna pop up another thing, and I will just take every necessary action. All right, confirm. I'm gonna confirm that. All right, so once I do that and we are good to go, all right, that's all I need to do. Once I'm done with this, I can just go to the Adsterra and check how much or what's the impression like. Has the impression increased or not? So let's go to our Adsterra and check if the impression has increased. So right now I still I have 4 impressions, right? So what I need to do right now is I need to refresh this page. Okay, so let's refresh this page and see the magic, if at all you've gotten any impression or not. Voila, you can see the impression has increased from 4 to 6. All right, so let's see if at all we make any money. So 30 we've gotten some impression, some CPA. So what we just need to do is to continue repeating this process and enjoy your money as you do that every day. So guys, actually I don't really do this video to show people the application I'm using for a reason, because once you show people, a lot of people will misuse the application. So what I've done for you guys, my subscribers on this channel, full details on how to use the application and how to know what to do at the right time. The cost is just 15,000 for my subscriber right here, giving you for just 5,000.
Oh my god! Wow!
The link is in the description box of this video. Just use the link in the description box to get the full tutorial on how to use the application, because after you've clicked, you have to reset it again, on how to reset it and make your money through Adsterra. So if you're interested, just use the link in the description box of this video. Voila, you have access to the application and the video that will guide you through it, and after that you also join the Telegram group. So if you enjoyed this video guys, you might want to subscribe on this channel and turn on the notification bell. And if you're still looking for a way to make more money online, you can check this video. It's going to help you to make more money online. So come your way again. My name is Digital. Bye for now.